Buongiorno a tutti, benvenuti alla Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone, and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned close questions with verb to have. There was also a quiz at the end. The question was, how do we say, no, we don't have children in Italian? A. No, non abbiamo figli. B. No, abbiamo figli. C. No, non avete figli. The correct answer is A. No, non abbiamo figli. In today's lesson, you will see more examples with closed questions. Let's start. In the previous lesson, you saw open questions such as Come stai? Dove abiti? Come ti chiami? Let's see closed questions for these sentences. Stai bene? Are you fine? Sì, sto bene. Yes, I am fine. No, non sto bene. No, I'm not fine. Abitate in Italia? Do you live in Italy? Sì, abitiamo in Italia. Yes, we live in Italy. No, non abitiamo in Italia. No, we don't live in Italy. Ti chiami Michele? Is your name Michele? Sì, mi chiamo Michele. Yes, my name is Michele. No, non mi chiamo Michele. No, my name isn't Michele. Now I have a mini quiz for you. Please try to do it. How do you say do you live in Berlin in Italian? A. Abiti a Berlino? B. Abiti in Berlino? C. Abitate a Berlino? You can find the answer in my Instagram account, and you can also find the slides of this lesson. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach which language do you speak in Italian. Grazie, arrivederci.